Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our FTV English version. Viewers, scientists from Emmanuel Kant Baltic Federal University, together with researchers from St. Petersburg State University and K. Timiri Azef Institute of Plant Physiology (RAS), have defined key changes in the metabolism of amaranth plants that helps them to resist the toxic influence of zinc. It turns out that amaranth actively accumulates sugars and organic acids that neutralize the harmful effects of heavy metals. The opt-in data will be useful for the selection of crops that are sustainable for contaminated soils. Results of the research are published in the journal Plants. The work of industrial companies, the combustion of automobile fuel, and the use of pesticides and fertilizer in agriculture lead to contamination of soil by heavy metals, particularly by zinc. Although plants need these elements in small amounts, its surplus leads to destruction of photosynthesis, metabolism, cell damage, and a decrease in productivity. Plants have various protective mechanisms that help to prevent cell damage by heavy metals, but they still are not sufficiently studied. The researchers studied mechanisms that gave Amannathus caudatus L sustainability to zinc, and this plant adapts perfectly to an unfavorable environment in general and to very poor and contaminated soils in particular. In their work, the authors used young plants of amannath that were grown in hydrophobic culture without soil in solution with nutrients. Scientists added in a nutrient solution that was used for some plants for 1 week a concentration of zinc that, according to measures of physiological parameters of leaves, caused plants moderate stress but had a little effect on health too. Plants that were not affected by zinc were included the control group. When the exclusive report, FTV English, Delhi, Bharat.